This is our steam locomotive named Eddystone. Eddystone is numbered 34028 and is a West Country class Bulleid Light Pacific. Eddystone was built in Brighton in 1946. Its home shed back then was Ramsgate, and it pulled trains to Victoria Station and Cannon Street. Later on in its life, it became a top link steam loco, pulling trains such as the Atlantic Coast Express, the Devon Bell, and Somerset and Dorset's Pines Express. But sadly, after not even serving 20 years on British Railways, Eddystone was sent to the scrapyard. Eddystone sat at Wooden Brothers Scrapyard in South Wales for 22 years. And in those 22 years, it lost many of its parts, including its tender. By 1986, a group of rail enthusiasts had raised enough money to buy Eddystone from Woodham Scrapyard, bring it back to Kent, and begin its restoration. That group was later to become part of Southern Locomotives Ltd. We're at London Victoria Station, West Coast Class 47. 47812, but what is on the other end of this train is Eddystone 34028. The first time back in a mainline London terminus since it was sent to the scrapyard. I'll just come through. Cheers. We are going to catch up with Eddystone on a later tour, which is the Armistice Express by the Rail Touring Company, and we're going to be chasing and spotting Eddystone as it makes its way around Kent. We have decided to perch on this overbridge overlooking Sittingboune Station. Sittingboune Station is just to our east. And to our west is the junction where the trains travel up to Sheerness. As you see, the Javelin high-speed train passes underneath us and travels up towards the junction, but will not take the right turn. It carries on through towards Chatham. Let's zoom in and take a closer look at that junction, because this is the area where we will first see Eddystone. It will pop in from the top of the screen there. It will not come from the right, it will come from the top. The excitement builds as we await Eddystone. It's the updated version. It's a rebuilt.
Yeah, this is smooth. This is the slower version.
Does that count as a double header? It is at times like this when you begin to appreciate the route planning that goes on with these types of tours, because the tours have to fit in with all the other scheduled traffic. This 3-car EMU will be taking the same route that Eddystone will be once it's in reverse. Eddystone will leave Sittingboune station and then turn right at the junction. The points will then reset, ready for Eddystone to rush through.
Here comes Steve.
We now have to rush off so we can get to the King's Ferry Bridge at Swale station and see Eddystone reversed up towards Sheerness.
Big engine. Right. She's huge. Could have stopped.
We've parked up in Tesco's. We're just going to nip over to Sheerness-on-Sea station and see the guys on Eddystone. Bit of a panic. Oh, let's go across this crossing. I think we're going out. There's McDonald's over there. We're going out this way. There we are. The loco will already be in there. We are now obviously outside the station. Sheerness-on-Sea. It's Remembrance Day, 11th of the 11th. Start pronouncing my 11th properly. And just behind me, right there, is our class 47, 47812. We've got copies on the gates. Let's go and have a look at the train, shall we? Just through this gate here. Take a wander down the platform, have a look at Eddystone 34028. The train is using platform 1, as it looks like platform 2 is too short here to accommodate the length of this drain. There she is, being ready to go out. Let's run around to platform 1 and take a look at what is going on. Looks like could be blues and twos. Giving Eddystone a drink. I'm certainly glad I got my running shoes on today. Running on the platform, you bad boy.
He volunteered you.
This is my crazy idea. That's quite a long hose run, all the way full length of this platform. Oh, there's Peter inside. There's Peter. Who else is on the train, do you know?
Simon, Paul, Carlo, what's his name?
Roy?
Roy.
Yeah. Oh, Richard. You got Richard Moffat. Yeah.
No, Richard Painter.
Oh, Green. Yeah. Yeah.
Green,
Yeah. Moffat's further back.
Bob.
Oh, right, yep.
That's all I've seen.
Yeah.
And so you, and Peter here.
Yeah. Now I'm going to depart from here pretty soon. Alright. Oh, these are my buddies. Hello, Hugh. Hey. Good.
So you're racing across the city.
We are looking for Coach D. Let's have a word with Richard Moffat. I might be just a little bit further up. Not used to talking to the camera and walking at the same time. Let's turn the camera. Which one is this? That's E. Let's wander up here. It should be this one here. First class. Let's have a look. Where is he? He's in here somewhere. Is that deep? Right, let's get in. Well, that was indeed a quick word with Richard Moffat, because we had to come up with a plan to have a quick chat at Folkestone because Eddystone was due out, and we've got to chase it now down to Folkestone. Coming up in a future episode from Railway Mad, we interview Richard Moffat, who was at the very start of Eddystone's restoration journey. Find out how to open the smokebox door of a Battle of Britain class steam locomotive. This one is named 257 Squadron.